Water pollution. The addition of undesirable things to water is called water pollution. Water gets polluted when the factory wastes are discharged into the water bodies, when humans wash clothes, bathe, defecate near lakes and rivers, and when sewage and garbage is dumped into the water bodies. Effects of water pollution. Drinking unclean water can result in waterborne diseases like typhoid, jaundice, diarrhea, etc. If the crops are irrigated with unclean, polluted water, it harms the production of crops. Aquatic plants and animals may even die when they have to live in polluted water. If harmful chemicals get accumulated in the body of fish and we consume this fish, it can make us fall sick. Land pollution. Land pollution is the addition of undesirable things to land. Soil, garbage, sewage, factory wastes, etc. are the examples of land pollutants. Effects of land pollution. The soil composition and texture get spoiled, resulting in poor growth of plants. Animals like earthworms, beetles, and ants that live in the soil get adversely affected. Save the environment. You can do your bit to save the environment. Reduce the amount of waste you generate by reusing and recycling. Buy new things only if you need them. Give away old books, newspapers, glass, bottles for recycling. Trees are cut to make paper. Do not waste paper. Use the pages left in the old notebooks for rough work. Switch off the lights and fans when you leave the room. Plant trees and make the air clean. Walk short distances. This will help to save fuel and reduce air pollution. Say no to plastics. Carry your cloth or jute bag for shopping. Plastic is a non-biodegradable product and causes pollution when disposed in water bodies or on land. Remember, by saving the environment and by keeping it clean, you are helping yourself to lead a healthy life.